Meaning of income support.
Income support.
Income support.
Income support.
Income support. Income support refers to a form of financial assistance provided by governments or organizations to individuals or families with low or no income. The purpose of income support is to help people meet their basic needs, such as food, housing, and clothing, and improve their overall standard of living. This can include direct cash payments, vouchers for specific goods or services, or subsidies for essential expenses. The goal of income support is to reduce poverty and promote social inclusion by ensuring that everyone has sufficient resources to live with dignity and participate fully in society.